Microplastics, tiny particles of plastic less than 5 millimeters in size, have become a ubiquitous pollutant, infiltrating our environment and our bodies. Now, a groundbreaking study published in Nature Medicine has revealed a disturbing trend: the alarming increase of microplastics in human brain tissue. This discovery raises serious concerns about the potential health implications of these particles on our cognitive functions and overall well-being. The study, conducted by researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, analyzed brain tissue samples from a diverse group of individuals. The results were startling, showing a significant presence of both micro and nanoplastics in the brain, even in individuals with no known exposure to high levels of plastic pollution. This finding indicates that microplastics have become a pervasive contaminant, capable of reaching even the most protected organs in our bodies. The Nature Medicine study also revealed a dramatic increase in microplastic concentrations in brain tissue over a relatively short period. Comparing samples from 2016 to those collected in 2024, researchers discovered a staggering 50% rise in the levels of these tiny plastic particles. This alarming trend suggests that our exposure to microplastics is not only widespread, but also intensifying at an alarming rate. This rapid increase is likely attributed to the ever-growing production and use of plastic products, coupled with inadequate waste management practices. As plastic waste accumulates in landfills and pollutes our oceans, it breaks down into smaller and smaller particles, ultimately finding their way into the food chain and consequently our bodies. Adding another layer of concern, the study uncovered a potential link between microplastic accumulation and dementia. Researchers found that brain tissue samples from individuals diagnosed with dementia exhibited significantly higher levels of microplastics compared to those without the condition. While this correlation is alarming, it's important to note that correlation does not equal causation. Further research is needed to ascertain whether microplastics directly contribute to the development of dementia or if other factors are at play. Nevertheless, this finding underscores the urgency of understanding the potential long-term health consequences of microplastic exposure. Understanding the threat, nanoplastics and their pervasive presence. Of particular concern is the presence of nanoplastics, particles even smaller than microplastics, often measuring less than 100 nanometers in diameter. These minuscule particles can easily penetrate cell membranes, potentially disrupting cellular processes and causing inflammation. Nanoplastics are commonly found in various everyday products, including food packaging, cosmetics, and textiles. Their small size and prevalence make them difficult to avoid, highlighting the need for increased awareness and stricter regulations regarding their use and disposal. A growing concern, microplastics in the human body demand further investigation. The discovery of microplastics in human brain tissue adds to a growing body of evidence highlighting the pervasive presence of these particles within our bodies. Previous studies have detected microplastics in other organs, including the lungs, liver, and even the placenta, raising concerns about their potential impact on human health. While the long-term health consequences of microplastic exposure remain largely unknown, their presence in our bodies is undeniable and demands further investigation. More research is crucial to determine the potential health risks associated with microplastic accumulation and to develop strategies for reducing our exposure to these ubiquitous pollutants. The future of our health and the well-being of our planet may depend on it.